They in right now. You're gonna be that girl with your shark boots on. Probably like, this is probably the only shoe I done wore all winter. Not kidding, because it was a fraction of the price of real Givenchy shark boots. You ain't gotta waste your money getting a boot that's gonna look crazy. So hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So as you can already see from the title of today's video, we are about to talk about these shark boot dupes that I found. Yes, a dupe to the Givenchy shark boots. Now these boots are very, very popular. It's not something that's new. Everybody is walking around in their Givenchy shark boots, and girl, while I would love to have me a pair of shark boots, baby, I ain't got $3,000 to spend on some boots. Now listen, if you don't like to wear dupes or shoes that, what they call it, not lookalikes, I don't know what's the word, but if you don't like that and you got the coin, you want to spend $3,000 on some boots, this video ain't gonna be for you. This video is for the girlies, you feel me, that want to look good, bougie on a budget type thing. So yeah, if you're interested in seeing where I found my Givenchy shark boot dupe, then keep watching, boo. Okay y'all, so let's get right into it. So the reason why I got the boots in the first place was because I'm the type of girl, like, I like to look cute. Don't get me wrong, when I'm going out, I like to look cute and I like to have on a heel if I can. But if they're comfortable. I don't know about you, but girl, heels and me, like, it just don't do. So my birthday passed a few months back and I'm like, I'm gonna wear a cute dress, you feel me? But I also wanted to wear heels. And I'm like, what can I put together that's gonna look good and give heel without being like uncomfortable? And I'm like, oh, I knew for sure like the Givenchy shark boot, it's giving heel, you know what I'm saying? But it's really like a wedge underneath the thing. I'll show you. I'm just gonna show y'all the boots and then y'all can probably understand what I'm saying. These are the boots right here. So this is what I was trying to tell y'all, like, it's giving heel. When you wear these, it's definitely giving heel, but it's actually like a wedge underneath. So super, super comfortable. And so I knew the Givenchy shark boots, like, I watch hella videos on YouTube of like people doing unboxings and stuff. If y'all new to my channel, you probably don't know this, but if you are OG subscribers to my channel, you know I always was staying doing the designer unboxings and stuff like that. So I definitely love looking at videos like that. But the issue was when I found the shark boot and I looked up the price, girl, they like $3,000. Like, no kidding. Let me look it up, because I was like, baby. Givenchy. Okay, the shark boot is $2,395. $2,400 for boots. And I'll insert a picture on the screen over here of what the actual shark boot looks like. And I was like, there's no way. Like, I want my hand on a pair of them if somebody bought them for me, but girl, not me. So I was like, I need to find a dupe. And so of course I went on Google and I typed in Givenchy shark boot dupe, because that's what I wanted to do. And I found these and I feel like they look really, 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 really good. Now let me tell y'all where I got these boots from. I purchased these boots from Ego Official. They're a really good website. Like, this is not my first time purchasing shoes from Ego Official. I haven't purchased dupes from them before. Well, you know what, actually I ain't gonna say that, because a lot of like designer stuff, I don't be knowing that it's designer. Like, if I've never seen the real one and know that it's designer, and then I get on Ego Official and I'm like, oh, these sandals are cute. Girl, I just think the sandals are cute. I didn't know they was trying to be like Louis Vuitton, or they was trying to be like, you know, Hermes or whoever else. Like, so I maybe have purchased dupes on there before, but for the sake of this video, I for sure know, like, when I went on Ego shoes this time, it's because they had these boots on there. So these are the boots that I picked up. Y'all, they have so many freaking colors of these boots. They got them in red. This is like a regular leather black, but they got them in like a shiny type of black, all that stuff. So yeah, these are the freaking boots, and I'm gonna look at my email real quick and tell y'all how much I paid for them, because it was a fraction of the price of real Givenchy shark boots, and they look good. Like, girl, what? They even got the little locket on the side. Don't play with me. Let's look real quick. So the real Givenchy shark boots are called Givenchy shark lock boots, and they're $2,395. Now let me check my email, because I'm gonna go in here and see how much I paid for mine on Ego shoes. Okay, so on Ego shoes, they are called I Am the One padlock detail wedge heel knee-high long boot. Faux leather, obviously it's faux leather, and I paid $102 for them. Now I'm not gonna lie, like, right after I purchased these, paid $20 for expedited shipping, like I said, because I needed them for my birthday. I looked on there, like, I kept getting ads pop up on my phone, and they was like $60. So when you're seeing this video, you might be able to get on there and actually get you a pair for cheaper. And I actually had thought about like going back and ordering another pair because I like them that much, but I haven't yet. Like I'm really interested in getting a pair in white, just because these are like my go-to go out boot. I didn't wear them so much. Probably like, this is probably the only shoe I didn't wear all winter. Not kidding, because they look good with a dress. They look good with pants. They just look good. Now, one thing that I feel like is different from these than the real shark boot is the real shark boot, and it kind of bothers me, I'm not gonna lie. So maybe this isn't a dupe, maybe this is just like a look-alike, like it's gonna get you close enough. But the real shark boot, and I'll insert another picture, the real shark boot, the front of it is more pointy, and I do love that about the Givenchy boot. It is pointy at the front, and I noticed like with these, they're not pointy, as y'all can see. Like they kind of come to a little point, but they're a little more rounded at the toe, and that really irks me. I ain't gonna lie, it irks me a lot. But other than that, they're pretty much the same. Also too, the fold right here down at the bottom covers up the whole heel, because when I was looking on Google and I was looking at Givenchy dupes, I seen obviously a whole bunch of other websites that had these too. I know Akira online had them. I know they got some on Amazon. Ego Shoes, obviously I got mine there. And then it was another site, I can't think of the name right now, but it was another site that had these too. And so of course, you know me, like I'm going through seeing who got the best price, who can get them to be the fastest, and which ones are like look closest to the Givenchy shark boot. And I felt like Ego Shoes was the closest, and I'm gonna tell y'all why. So you ain't gotta waste your money getting a boot that's gonna look crazy. So the first way these are similar to the Givenchy shark boot is, let me turn my ringer off, because at this point I'm trying to film for YouTube. The first thing that I like about this boot and how it's similar to the Givenchy boot is, number one, the padlock. So as y'all can see, there is a lock on the boot right there, and that's similar to the Givenchy lock boot that they actually have. Some of the other websites, like I think it was on Akira, they had a boot like this, and it did have the pointy toe. So I'm like, pointy toe, I definitely like that. But when it came to this part, it was not a locket. It was just this little strip they had, and then just like a little silver detail or something here. I didn't like that. I definitely knew I wanted the locket hanging. So that's what won me over with Ego Shoes over any other ones that I seen, because I didn't see any other ones really with this locket on there, and I wanted that there. And then I like when you walk, you kind of hear. I think that's super cute. Also too, another similarity between these and the actual shark boots, like I said before, is the fact that this part actually covers the whole heel. Some of the other boots that I seen, the heel was exposed a little bit more. No baby, that's not how it's supposed to be. Givenchy boot, you cannot tell that it's really a wedge when you have them on, and that's the same way with these. So I do like the fact that that little flap like definitely covered, you know, all the way over the heel. So I love that. And then another thing is, I know my camera is probably, the light is picking it up and it's making it look like they're super shiny, but I swear in person they're not as shiny as they look. That's another, like, those are big things with me when I'm buying boots, whether they're dupes or just boots in general. I don't like no shiny looking leather, and these definitely in person just give a really good leather look. They're not too shiny. So yeah, so for $100 versus $2,400, I think that this was a steal. With the actual shark boots, I heard a lot of the girls say, oh, they had to get them like stretched if they have big like cankles. I know cankles ain't the word, but you know, like girls that have like thicker calves, they had issues with the real Givenchy shark boot. But with these, I see a lot of people being able to get their leg and stuff in it. Now with me, I don't have thick cankles. Like my ankles are pretty slim, so I didn't have that issue. But yeah, these, so if you have thick calves, you'll probably be good. Let me show y'all the width of it just so you can see before you purchase, if you're worried about, you know, being able to get your foot in it. So that's about the size of it. There is no zipper or anything like that, so you do have to just slide your foot in it, just like the Givenchy padlock shark boot. Girl, these are hard to get off, I'm not gonna lie. I have a video I might insert it, I might not. I don't know if I want to embarrass myself like that, but if I do, I might insert a video of me coming home one night from the club. I was tipsy and I was trying to take these boots off and I was having a hard time doing it. Another thing too, I feel like sometimes you'll get people that be like, oh, you know, I don't like knockoffs, and I don't feel like this is a knockoff. So to me, a knockoff would be going to go buy a Louis Vuitton purse that's clearly mimicking, it has the LVs all over it, and then it ain't really LV. I don't do that. You know what I'm saying? Me, I don't. Some of the girls do, and that's fine, but I don't do that. But when it came to these boots, I don't feel like, I mean, they're different enough to where you know, like, girl, those ain't the real Givenchy's. You know what I mean? Like, they're inspired by, like, and me being who I am, me knowing that I was only going to wear these boots, you know, for a season, the winter time, I was like, I'm fine with getting a dupe. And that's just me. They look good. Baby, listen, when I wore these boots, you think I had an issue? And didn't. I looked so fire on my birthday when I wore these boots. And I can actually insert a video so y'all can see me, because girl, I was giving everything I needed to give at my birthday. But yeah, super cute. I do think that they're worth the money. Like I said too, you can get a lot of wears out of these boots, and they're super comfortable. Like, you put these boots on, you're gonna be giving that girl, you're gonna be giving heels without actually having on heels, because girl, once again, I ain't never been a girl that can do a heel. So yeah, I think these are a great steal. If you're thinking about getting you a pair of boots that you can wear with a lot of outfits, that you can definitely wear out when you need to be dressed up, definitely check out Ego Official Shoes and get you a pair. And I actually really do like these boots. This is not a sponsored video, but Ego, if you see this and you want your girl to show some more of y'all products, let me know, because I'm definitely into that. And for the price that I pay, I think it's really good. I like these so much to the point where I think I'm gonna go back on there and get a white pair, because I can see me definitely in the springtime, before it get too hot, wearing these, like wearing a white pair if I had them. And I feel like also too in the summer you might be able to get away with it if you can put that outfit together right, girl, with some like denim shorts or something, cute little top. I definitely feel like you could still get away with these boots. So do I think that they're worth it? Absolutely, I do. They in right now. You're gonna be that girl with your shark boots on, and that's just what it's giving. But yeah, so anyway, that's enough rambling. I think y'all know that I do like these boots. They are worth it. I did get them from Ego Shoes. I'm a size 7 US women. I got these in a 7 US on there. Ego is like a European site, so when you get on there, it might say like a 5 in European, but that's a 7 in US, and they fit perfect. I don't have any issues with them. I even wear socks with these, and they fit really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on my feet just so y'all can see what it's giving, so y'all can see what it looks like on, because these boots, they do it for me every time, period. Love these shoes. Every time I'm putting an outfit together, or if I have somewhere to go on a date or to the club or wherever, I'm like, ooh, my boots. These are the first thing I think about. So I'm gonna move my camera back real quick so y'all can see what these boots are giving. So I hope y'all can see, but here is the actual boot on my foot, and they are so freaking cute. They're definitely giving a little heel moment. I really like these boots. And like I said, the locks are gonna make noise when you have them on. So super cute. Super cute. Ugh. I'm trying to show these boots, y'all. Oh shit. Girl. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna wrap up my Givenchy shark boot dupe. I did hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Also to hit the bell for post notifications so you are notified every time I post a video. Leave me a comment. Follow me on my Instagram, okay? Will list my Instagram over here. And until next time, y'all, stay pretty.